Namaste everyone. Today we are going to sit with one of the most powerful, ancient and transformative mantras of the yogic tradition. A mantra that does not belong to any one time, place or person. A mantra that has been chanted by sages in silence, by householders in devotion and by yogis in deep meditation. That mantra is Om Namah Shivaya. This is also known as the Panchakshara Mantra, the Five-Syllabled Mantra. Let us first chant it together, slowly with awareness. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Pause, let the vibration settle. Before we understand the mantra, we must understand Shiva. Shiva is often misunderstood as a god sitting somewhere in the Himalayas. But in yoga and Shiva philosophy, Shiva is not just a deity. Shiva means that which is auspicious, that which is pure awareness, that which is unchanging consciousness. Shiva is not a person. Shiva is a state of being. When the mind becomes silent, clear and still, that state is called Shiva. When there is no ego, no identity, no struggle, that is Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya means I bow to Shiva. I surrender to the auspicious supreme consciousness. I bow to my own true nature. It is not a prayer asking for something. It is a gesture of surrender. The mantra has 5 syllables. Na, ma, shi, va, ya. That is why it is called Panchakshara. Panch means 5. Akshar means syllables. Each syllable is not random. Each syllable represents a fundamental element of existence. Na, earth, Prithvi. Na represents earth. It symbolizes stability, structure, the physical body. When you chant Na, you are grounding yourself. You are becoming steady. You are coming into the body. Ma, water, Jal. Ma represents water. It symbolizes flow, emotions, adaptability. When you chant Ma, rigidity melts. Emotions soften. You learn to flow instead of resist. Shi, fire, Agni. Shi represents fire. Fire of transformation, digestion, inner power. This is the fire that burns ignorance, the fire that transforms pain into wisdom. Va, air, Vayu. Va represents air, movement, breath, prana. This syllable connects the mantra deeply with pranayama and breath awareness. It brings lightness and expansion. Ya, space, Akash. Ya represents space, the subtlest element. Space is where everything exists. When you chant Ya, awareness expands. You move beyond body and mind. This is one of the most important yogic teachings. Creation happens like this: space, air, fire, water, earth. But liberation happens in reverse when you chant Na, Ma, Shi, Va, Ya. You are moving from the dense to the subtle, from body to breath, from breath to awareness, from awareness to silence. You are literally walking back to the source. This is why Om Namah Shivaya is called a mantra of self-realization. Om is not counted in the 5 syllables. It is beyond them. Om represents the witness, the observer, the pure consciousness. Om is the reminder, I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am the awareness watching everything. So when Om comes before Namah Shivaya, it prepares the ground. What does Nama mean? Nama does not just mean bowing physically. Nama means not me. Let go of ego. I surrender control. Nama dissolves the ego before Shiva appears. This mantra slowly reduces tamasic state, inertia, ignorance, balances rajasic state, restlessness, passion, and leads towards sattvic state, clarity and peace. That is why it calms anxiety, stabilizes emotions, brings deep inner silence. Why yogis use this mantra in meditation? Because this mantra is simple, is rhythmic, aligns with breath, works on subtle energy. It can be chanted aloud, softly, mentally, with breath awareness. No visualization is required. No belief system is required. Just sound plus awareness. Method 1. With breath. Inhale silently. Exhale chanting Namah Shivaya. Let Om arise naturally in silence. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Method 2. Jap Mala. 108 repetitions. Spine straight, eyes closed, attention on sound. Method 3. Silent awareness. Chant mentally. Watch vibration dissolve into silence. Who can chant this mantra? Anyone. No initiation required. No background required. No belief required. This mantra works at the level of existence, not religion. Shiva is inner experience. When the mantra matures, chanting drops, sound drops. Only awareness remains. That silence is Shiva, not something you see, not something you achieve, something you recognize. Om Namah Shivaya is not about becoming someone else. It is about remembering who you already are. When you chant it daily, slowly, with humility and awareness, life becomes simpler, mind becomes quieter, and the heart becomes vast. Om Namah Shivaya. Namaste.